Look up at the night sky. Each star is a distant sun, a point of light in the vast darkness of space. For millennia we've wondered, what are stars? How did they get there? What is our connection to them? The answers link us to the grand story of the cosmos, a story of birth, life, and death on an unimaginable scale. To understand our place in the universe, we must first understand the stars. They are not just twinkling lights, they are dynamic, evolving objects governed by the same physical laws as Earth. Stars are born, live for millions or billions of years, and die, transforming matter along the way. By studying them, we learn about the universe and our own origins. The story of a star is one of transformation, from cold clouds of gas and dust to extreme objects like white dwarfs or black holes. The elements that make up our planet and our bodies were forged inside stars that lived and died before our sun was born. We are, quite literally, made of stardust. So, let's begin a journey through the stellar life cycle, from the birth of stars in cosmic clouds to their spectacular deaths. We'll see how a star's mass determines its fate, and what the future holds for our own sun. This is the story of the universe, and our story too. From stardust to sentience, this is the story of the cosmos. Welcome to Astral Explorer. Every star begins inside a nebula, immense clouds of gas and dust drifting through space. A disturbance, like a supernova shockwave, triggers regions within the nebula to become denser. Gravity takes over, pulling gas and dust together. As the material collapses, it heats up and forms a protostar, a star in its infancy. If the protostar gathers enough mass, its core heats to about 15 million degrees Celsius. At this point, nuclear fusion begins. Hydrogen atoms fuse to create helium, releasing tremendous energy. This energy balances gravity's inward pull, halting the collapse. The protostar ignites, a stable, shining star is born. If it doesn't gather enough mass, it becomes a brown dwarf, a failed star that cools and fades. But for those that succeed, fusion powers them for millions or billions of years. The star has entered the main sequence, the long, stable adult phase of its life. From here, its mass will determine everything about its future. The journey of a star has truly begun. Once a star begins fusing hydrogen, its mass determines its fate. Small stars called red dwarfs burn slowly and can live for trillions of years. None have died yet. Our sun, a yellow dwarf, is halfway through its life, with about 5 billion years of fuel left. Massive stars, much larger than the sun, burn hot and bright but live only a few million years. When these giants run out of hydrogen, their cores collapse, fusing heavier elements up to iron. Fusion of iron consumes energy, not releases it, so the star's energy source vanishes. Gravity wins, the core collapses, and the outer layers explode in a supernova. This explosion can outshine an entire galaxy, scattering heavy elements across space. The cycle of stellar birth and death is the engine of cosmic evolution. Every star's life is a balance between gravity and fusion, ending in transformation. The fate of each star shapes the universe around us. Our sun won't end in a supernova, it's not massive enough. In about 5 billion years, its core will shrink and heat up, causing the outer layers to expand. The sun will become a red giant, possibly engulfing Mercury, Venus, and even Earth. As a red giant, it will fuse helium into carbon and oxygen, then shed its outer layers as a planetary nebula. At the center, the sun's core will remain as a white dwarf, an Earth-sized, incredibly dense ember. This white dwarf will slowly cool and fade over trillions of years, becoming a black dwarf. Meanwhile, our solar system orbits the Milky Way's center, taking about 230 million years per orbit. At the heart of our galaxy lies a supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A*, with 4 million times the sun's mass. We, and every star in the Milky Way, are part of this grand, gravitational dance. The sun's quiet end is just one chapter in the galaxy's ongoing story. Our journey through the cosmos continues, shaped by the life and death of stars. The future of our solar system is tied to the fate of our star. We are passengers on this epic voyage. The remnants of dead stars, white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes, are the final act in the cosmic drama. Supernovae leave behind neutron stars, or if massive enough, black holes, regions where gravity is so strong not even light escapes. Our Milky Way contains hundreds of billions of stars, but it's just one of trillions of galaxies. Each galaxy is a vast island of stars, gas, and dust with its own cycle of stellar birth and death. Supernova explosions scatter heavy elements, carbon, oxygen, iron, into space, enriching nebulae for new stars and planets. The iron in your blood and the calcium in your bones were forged in ancient stars. This cosmic recycling connects us to the universe's grand story. We don't need to be physicists to appreciate the wonder of it all. Looking up at the night sky, we see the story of our origins written in the stars. We are a way for the universe to know itself. The universe is vast, mysterious, and beautiful, and we've only scratched the surface. If this glimpse into the birth and death of stars inspired you, explore the links below to begin your own cosmic journey. Want to go deeper? We'll drop some beginner-friendly links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want more journeys through the universe. Until next time, keep exploring.